Welcome back to a nice and sunny day again here in St. Louis. We're cruising at about 1,000 feet right now. I just took off from a remote location here out in Missouri, and about 5 minutes away there's a town called Wentzville, and there's actually a spot that we can land at. So at this spot that we're going to land at, I know there's this place called Raising Cane's. If you don't know what that is and you're not from the US, it's basically like a chicken spot. They got some chicken and fries and stuff like that. It's kind of a southern place, but they have some spots here in Missouri. I'm really hungry for some lunch, and I was working this morning, so we're going to try this new spot out. Wait, this spot would actually be such a good spot to do like a 24 hours camping trip on, because it's like literally an island. Wait, I gotta mark this down. I basically wanted to go camping in the helicopter, but standing on an island, that'd be cool. Yeah, I think that's our spot right there, actually. It's like a big open area. Man, it looks kind of muddy, but hopefully we'll find a dry spot. Alright, so to confirm that's the spot, I'm going to check these restaurants on the front and see if one of them says Raising Cane. Alright, I see the spot. I found it. It's right there. There's the place. Alright, now I know where we're landing. There's the antennas. A little bit of a steep approach. I will start killing that. Start killing that descent right here. This is our spot right here. Hopefully this is nice and flat. Cool, start a cooldown.
Hey, that's a nice helicopter thing.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. I get a 3-finger combo with just a lemonade skin. Yeah.
Where did you come from? Like,
I was actually doing like some local stuff, so I knew about the spot, and I haven't been to Cane's in a long time, so I was like, oh, I know there's a Cane's right there. I have access to land that big open area.
I didn't even get to see you land.
Oh, really?
Yeah, my other friend got to see you land. And I'm like, I see you come out of it though. I'm like, what? I'm like, there's no way.
Oh, really? What's up, buddy? Hi.
He was watching you. We parked and he's like, where'd the helicopter go? And then I sat down and we were going to go, oh my gosh, she's right there now. We thought you took off.
No, I'm here for a little bit. I'm gonna eat some food and then I'll go back up. When you guys are done eating, let me know and you can go. You wanna go sit in it maybe?
Want to go see it?
After you're done eating.
Helicopter? Or?
Yes.
Helicopter.
What'd you say?
Did you buy that helicopter?
I did buy that helicopter. That's a good question.
Yep.
You gotta go check it out. What's your name?
Tell me your name, Jack.
Well, he says the helicopter is cooler. I know.
Did you identify the helicopter? Red one in it?
The red one? Really? Was I doing the same thing? Did you see me fly in?
Yeah.
Was it a good landing?
He didn't get to see you land.
You didn't get to see me land. All right, let's get strobe on. Mixture. Clear. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was actually some pretty good chicken, I'm not gonna lie. I'm ready to go home and get out of here though. Look at all that traffic I'm avoiding. Wait, should we take a peek at that traffic? Oh my. Look at all that traffic! Oh my god, look how backed up it is. Thank god I'm not driving out here today. Traffic is so bad. I say that, yet I'm gonna get stuck in traffic when I leave the airport and go home. So, I guess you get what you get, really. You guys see those glaciers like right in the middle of the river? I made that up. I don't really know if they're glaciers or not, but I think it's snow. Yeah, it's definitely snow on sand. It's like a little sandbank with snow. I never film an outro, so this is a little weird for me, but I appreciate you guys watching. I just landed at the hangar. Had a good day today. I got some more videos here coming out soon. I just filmed a couple. It's been nice weather here in St. Louis. So anyways, thanks guys, see ya.